How to set up automated notifications for your clients. The automated notifications and reminders feature ensures your clients stay on top of their tasks without you needing to follow up manually, helping you streamline your workflow and boost efficiency. There are two types of automated notifications that your client can receive: automatic notifications and reminders. Automatic notifications are the ones that they automatically get when something happens. For example, when you send them a message. These notifications should be set up for each contact by toggling on Notify. This could be done when adding the account or anytime later from the Info tab of the client's profile, or modified in bulk from the account page. At the end of the video, we will discuss this in more detail. You can decide on which events the user should get notifications. If you've toggled Notify for a contact linked to an account, but they haven't yet activated their account, they'll still receive a TaxDome email and system notifications. If you feel like these notifications are not enough, you can also set up additional notifications, which we call reminders. They notify clients when they haven't completed an action item by a certain date. You can usually send out reminders when sending out documents, contracts, messages, organizers, or invoices. Let's see an example. When sending a message, simply turn on the Reminders feature to set up extra notifications. By default, a reminder will be sent to your client 3 days after the message, but you can easily adjust the timing to fit your needs. You can also choose how many reminders to send. Once the set time passes, your client will automatically receive the reminder notification. Of course, if you have some planned reminders, but the client action is already completed, they will not be sent to them anymore. Reminders can also be sent through pipeline automations. For example, in the first stage of the 1040 pipeline, I'll choose the proposal automation, switch on reminders, set how many days between them, decide how many reminders to send, and hit Save. You can always update reminder settings for different entities even after they've already been sent to the client. For example, open the chat thread we created earlier. In the bell icon, you can adjust the number of reminders or simply turn them off if they're no longer needed. If you want to find out which clients have their notifications turned off, you can filter your account list by going to the Accounts page, selecting Notify, and choosing Disabled. You can then bulk select all the clients, go to More Actions, and select Edit Login, Notify, and Email Sync. Choose Enable for all contacts to notify and toggle on Customize Notification Preferences. From here, you can bulk edit the notification preferences for each linked contact.